Welcome everyone. In this video we'll talk about the kidney's anatomy. The kidney located in the 12th thoracic to 3rd lumbar vertebra. The kidney is located in the space of the retroperitoneum space. Kidney's function. The function of the kidney is to remove the solid waste and excess substance from blood in the form of urine. Every day kidney filter about 1700 liter of blood. So that means 1300 milliliter every minute, on 1 milliliter excreted every minute into the urine, in the other form of the urine. The nephrons are the functional unit. They first filter the water and soluble component from the blood. Second, reabsorb some of the component back into the blood. And finally, they selectively secrete waste and into the urine. And also, the kidneys play an important role in maintaining the blood pressure and the acidity base of the blood. Kidneys layer. It's covered by 3 layers. They are the renal fascia, the outer layer attached kidney to the posterior abdominal wall. The second one is adipose or fat layer. The middle protective layer composed of fat work as cushion for kidneys. The third one, renal capsule, innermost tough fibers layer, and there is another layer called the pararenal fat, also work as protective one, is covering the renal fascia outside. Here in this picture you can see the first layer, second layer, and the third layer. The first fascia, fat layer, the third one, the capsule layer. Top 5. Kidney structure. Here in this picture you can see the structure of the kidney. The calyx and extension form of pyramid to collect urine. The pyramid formed by collecting duct for urine. And the kidney divided into 2 regions. The inner region called the medulla and the outer one called the cortex. The medulla contains the pyramid. The pyramid is about to contain the collecting duct for collecting the urine after it's filtered. Kidneys innervation. Kidney is innervated by autonomic nervous system, the parasympathetic and sympathetic fibers. The sympathetic fibers branch from the spinal nerve, thoracic to 10 to lumbar second. The function of it to contraction of the blood vessels. The parasympathetic branch from the vagus nerve, function unclear until this moment. Blood supply of the kidney. Renal artery are branched from the abdominal aorta, enters the kidney through the ileum, then divided into anterior and posterior branch. All the branches are turned to give us rise to 5 segmental arteries. They are separated from each other. It have been blocked or obstructed for one of them. They will continue the others. The segmental artery branch to interlobar artery. Then the interlobar artery give us branch to arcuate artery, then divided into the interlobular arteries. You will see in this picture the renal artery divisions. At the afferent arteriole, they will give us branch to small capillary called glomerulus, where first part of filtration in the blood happen in this glomerulus, first part of the nephrons. We'll talk about it later in the next videos about physiology of the urinary system. Now we finish our video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will make another video about physiology of urinary system. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.